Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep. Another edition here for you guys at 9 a.m. ready to go, talking about the stock market. Not giving you investment advice, but strictly just giving you our opinions, telling you what we see, what our thoughts are, and also giving you that beautiful newsletter, The Morning Brew. Every day we're going to give you that. The first edition is going to be raffled off, and we're going to have Kid Franks run that for us, but we're going to have it printable. Beautiful first edition of the Elite Trading Brew. So Morning Brew, and let's go. Let's just jump into it. So we can't, we got to talk about the elephant in the room. We've got tax talk. We've got the SPY sell-off yesterday. That was an ugly dip. You had the markets basically telling you that they were going to go into what was in the dumps, and then they continued a 2-day rally like TRCH. And there's a few of them. I'll pull them up in the charts after we're done, and we'll go through them. I have, I think, 9 different charts set up, and we can go through that together, talking about what's going on in the market. So currently, I have a newsletter set up today for you guys talking about what we're going to be doing, spending money once this sell-off happens. So think about this. People are going down on margin. They're lessening their risk. And then they're also pulling some money out of the market. And a lot of people made a big chunk of change in this last year and a half. So what are they going to do with that money? Are they going to hodl it? Are they going to hold it in the banks? Are they going to put it into something else that's going to have a better rate of return? I don't think so. I think there's going to be a lot of spending. I think there's going to be earnings reflecting the watchmakers. Good morning, Kid Franks. What's up? I think they're going to have the watchmakers showing off their gains, and I think a lot of people are going to be buying some new jewelry. They're going to be buying new shoes. They're going to be buying cars. They're going to be buying plane tickets to vacations, and they're going to be buying purses. They're going to be buying all this stuff, right? So let's get you to the newsletter and let's talk about that. All right, this morning's Morning Brew. Get your cups ready, fill them up, get some information, pop it into your head, and let's start talking about this stuff. April 23rd, 2023. April 23rd, 2021. I'm a little excited today. You can tell I dressed up a little bit. I got to get I don't have any kids or the wife here all day today. So I'm going to go have a lunch meeting. I'm going to have some stuff for the guys in the group, do a little recording. So I wanted to look good for the recording session. So let's get in this Morning Brew. We be shopping. What are people doing? They are shopping. I know it. I see it. I know what's happening. And for that, we saw the uptick for after the earnings report for some of the major shoe brands out there. So we have on our target that we always tell you there's a possible trade idea along with each category for the daily ET brew, and that is VFC. So we have VFC as the target for Vans Shoe Company. I like this one. I think that they've had a little bit of a pullback. Maybe wait for another pullback. I'm not saying jump all in. I'm saying watch them for the bulls list or a possible trade idea. So what happens when people are taking profit? They're going to be spending some of that profit on some of their self. They're proud of their self. I've traded well. I get a new car. I'm buying you a new purse, honey. Or she's buying him a new car, and she says, I'm buying myself a. I deserve it. We deserve it. We're going on vacation. Let's get out of here. So have your friends updated their kitchens lately? What are they doing? Have you seen people update their kitchen? Have you seen people buy things? Have you seen people spending money? What are they spending it on? Write that down. Every time you see someone walk in the room and you're like, oh man, they're like, look at my new watch. What brand is it? Okay. How many times do I see people, my 5 friends said they're buying Rollies. I have 5 friends that are saying they're buying Seiko. What is it? I'm going to write them down. I want to know. Mont Blanc, are you buying pins? I got one upstairs, but I don't use it. I use this crappy show the Carfax pen. So, I don't care. I'm not going to go search for a nice pen. I just need one that writes. As long as it doesn't have any gook on it from the kids, doesn't matter to me. So, golfing companies, Callaway, I like that. Ping, we're watching golfing companies because my friends keep calling me up and they're like, hey man, can you get out of the house and go golfing? I'm like, yeah, what time? They're like, 9 a.m. Well, no, I need pre-market prep time, so got to get me a little bit later. And then they go, oh man, we're going to be out there at 9, so I miss out. Don't get to go golfing with my buddies. But I know they're spending money on that stuff. Bulls for the list today. Bulls list. Let's go. TWLO, VIAC, Viacom. I'm going with, so Twillo I'm going with for safety pick. I like them. They're just, I was told about them last year. I wish I would have been in them the whole time because, there had been some big money to be played there. But did make an 800% call option on them at one point, but, would have loved to just kept rolling that money. Should have just kept rolling that money. VIAC has just been oversold. Think it's going to be a nice runner. Pulled up some charts for you later after this. We'll pull up the charts and I'll show you where my target is for that one. VFC, we have the end. We have their earnings date is May 13th. It's the week of, is why I put them there. They put 13th through I think the 17th or 18th, 13th to the 19th, I think. So it's the week of May 13th, and then they have a dividend in March. So and they missed the H there. So but there is a dividend in March. Sorry about that. Little editing needs to be done for that one before we print it out or paste it. We have the Bulls recap posted by Jam Deuce and text by K Clowning, and we've got TSLA down 3.38% on the Bulls recap, and then the AAPL Apple Play down 1.17%, Disney up 0.19%, and can't win them all, man. We didn't have a 3 for 3 loser. We had a 2 out of 3 loser. But in this week, if you go through those, I think after you take all the plus and minuses together and add it up, it'll be positive. And I'll actually add a page that says at the end of the weekly brew, the Bulls list, let's put and see what the percentage of gains are on the Bulls for that. So we'll put that together. If you want to find us, go to Elite Trading on YouTube, Elite Trading Discord on Facebook, and Elite Trading LLC, Elite Trading Crypto on Instagram. Check out our website at elitetradingnow.com. Subscribe for our weekly newsletter and subscribe. Want to join our trading course? We have a description or a link in the description. Support us. It doesn't matter what you want to do. If you don't want to spend any money, smash, kick, punch that like button. Subscribe to our channel. Get more videos like this. Help us with the comments in there. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. We're okay with getting some criticism. If there's something else you need, if I'm too slow, too fast, more information, less information, what do you need? Tell me, I'll give it to you. I'm going to try to be better for you guys. Stay in the green, stay blessed, and I'll see you soon. Go to the live chat in the Discord right now if you want to see some live trades. Actually, what am I doing? I keep doing this every time we get to this page where I freaking talk about this crap here. So, F the BS, let's get into the charts. Let's get back into that. What am I doing? Trying to kick you guys out of here without letting you guys see the freaking charts. What am I doing? That's what you're here for, I think, sometimes. NVIS, TRCH, ELY, QQQ, SPY, and HOFV. All on the radar. Been rocking and rolling. NVIS was a live call yesterday in the live chat. We were talking about it. Me and, I forget who was in there with me. I think it was Kid Franks and Fedsky. One of the guys are in there. We were talking about it. I said, you know what? First red candle, I'm getting out. Boom, got out right here on this red candle. Proved to be a good play. And then it got right down here. We saw a double bottom happening, forming. So I said, you know what? Maybe 13 is a good call to get in. Got back in at 13. It's up 70 cents, up 5.48%. Let's go. If I had a freaking bell to ring, I'd hit it right now. Ding, ding, ding. That's another winner. 2 trades on NVIS. We'll be looking to get out of this play currently after I get about a few minutes in more. I'm going to look for the $14 mark. If we don't get the 14, then I'll get out of there about $13.50. Still make 50 cents on the trade, but that's where my stop loss is, $13.50. And then we're going to have 14 as a target. $1 play on the NVIS. HOFV up 4.48% yesterday, up again 1.43%. We called this baby at around $3 even, I believe, and then it has done nothing but give us some love. So we got this. It was actually, no, what am I talking about? Oh yeah, sorry, that was TRCH. TRCH, well, I was gonna say we got that at a lot less than $3, but that's over here. TRCH called that bad boy at around, I think it was, yeah, right down here at the bottom. It was the day before yesterday. So we had the 2-day rally from, it was $1.50, I think, when I got in. $1.55 was my average. Get up to $1.83. That's a big winner. I like it. 20%. Can't complain. What do we have here? ELY. We were talking about this one. This is Callaway Golf. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we're looking at some strong support here on this 1 hour. If we can get that and keep popping up and break that new high, we like Callaway Golf. Now, the one that we were talking about just a few minutes ago for the target was VFC. I put in a target for this one. I think I did it on the trade. Let's go to the trade. Yeah, I had it ready for you guys. Okay. So what I did was I saw that we have a 65.78 grand support. I mean, if you just got a blessed pullback from the market, that's probably where it's going to go down. Maybe one day to 45 if we had just a complete pullback. But this move here. So what I did for the way I do it, other people may do other things. But I found that this is the sell-off point. It went down, broke a market structure. We broke through this support here. Previous support became resistance. And then that's where I'm going to come in, where previous support meets new resistance. That's right here. So that's where I want to see that this line from here, 65 to 89, I'm going to trim that and make it 65 to 85. So that's about right in this area. So that's kind of where it's at now. Gave you a 20-point move. So we tried to pull back, went to 75, came back up another 10 bucks, and then now we're trading just slightly down in the pre-market. I like this if it goes above 89.23 to 109. 109 is my target if it breaks 89.23. So what I'll do is I'm going to set an alert between that so I can remember what I want to do. And I'm going to put a message in here that says buy alert trigger. And that way it'll say, hey, buy alert trigger. And I'm going to go in and take a look and see where they're at. And it'll create this little line or this little dot right here, and you can cruise over it, and it will give you what your alert was. So what I'm looking for is this right here, these 2 points from here to here, and then I'm going to flip it up to the upside, which is right here, and then I'm going to give myself a slight $4 to $5 retracement. So I don't think I'm going to get the full move. I think I want to get at least 75%, and I would even put a first target for your first profit taking if you're going to take a partial right here at 100. So hope you guys like this. Hope it helps you. Stay in the green, my friends. See you in the Discord. Support us. Go to the live trading chat in the Discord. Hit the link. Support us. Stay in the green, my friends. Hit that subscribe. Hit that share button. You never know who might need to see this. You never know who you know that might like to hear this stuff. So please share it. Please do. Don't hold it back from them. Stay blessed.